Want to become a Java developer but don't know where to start? This step-by-step roadmap will guide you from beginner to expert. Start with the basics. Install Java, set up an IDE, and write your first Hello World program. Understand key concepts like JVM, JRE, and JDK. Next, master OP principles, classes, objects, inheritance, and polymorphism to build powerful applications. Manage data efficiently using Java collections. ArrayList, HashMap, and LinkedList are must-know tools. Learn to handle errors gracefully with try-catch blocks and manage files efficiently using Java's file handling features. Speed up your applications using multi-threading and connect Java with databases like MySQL using JDBC. Build powerful web applications with servlets, JSP, and the Spring Boot framework. Take your skills to the next level with microservices, Docker, and cloud deployment using AWS. Wrap it all up with a final project. Build a full-stack Java application and impress recruiters. Ready to master Java? Follow this roadmap and start coding today. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe my YouTube channel, E-Learning TechTube by me, Khushbu Goyal Parashar, for more tech content.